Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix home security systems with ADT, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin fixing your home security system with ADT, first, ensure that your system is powered on. Next, check the display panel for any error messages or alerts. If there's a message, refer to your user manual to understand the specific issue. Now, inspect all sensors around your home to ensure they are clean and free of debris. Gently wipe the sensors with a soft cloth if you notice any dirt. After that, confirm the batteries in your sensors and keypads are charged or replaced as needed. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, power cycle your control panel by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Once the system has rebooted, check your app for any connectivity issues. If the app is unresponsive, next, verify that all wiring connections are secure. If you spot any loose wires, carefully reconnect them, ensuring they are properly fastened. For systems using a wireless connection, ensure your Wi-Fi is functioning correctly. Check your router and modem to confirm there are no outages in your area. If necessary, reset your router to restore connectivity. Now, run a system test to confirm all components are functioning as expected. Follow the instructions in your user manual for conducting this test. If any devices fail during the test, troubleshoot them as per the troubleshooting guide included in your manual. If problems persist, consider reaching out to ADT customer support for professional assistance. Keep in mind that routine maintenance can prevent future issues. Regularly clean sensors and check battery levels to ensure optimal performance. Lastly, document any recurring issues for future reference or when contacting support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.